Come and say hi. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are coming back to my channel, then thank you. If you haven't been here before, my name is Megan. I have the biggest SHEIN haul that I've done as of yet on this channel. I don't know how much stuff is in here, but it's a lot. It's definitely the biggest one so far on this channel, so I'm so excited. Hi. I want to say a quick thank you to SHEIN for sending me all these items and continuously sponsoring me on these videos. I absolutely love making these videos and you guys absolutely love watching them. If you don't like watching my videos, then don't watch them. If you do like watching my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel because you will love it. At least once a month I'll have a brand new haul for you all. Let's just get into this huge haul because this is going to be the longest and biggest haul I have done. This little nose ring here, it's not real, I don't actually have a nose piercing, but this is from SHEIN and I'll link that in the description as well. Let's open this package. Oh wow, it is so full. There's some sporty stuff in here because the theme of this video was going to be like SHEIN trendy sportswear, but there's also some non-sporty stuff in here, so it's just kind of a mix of stylish, trendy, sporty, summery goodness. As always, I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm just going to pull out what I see first. It's going to be so much fun. I'll try everything on. I'll have the screenshots on screen of the prices and I'll have all the links in the description. I've also got a discount code which I will put on the screen here. I will also put that in the description as well. Okay, the first thing, I am going to do a little lucky dip. I don't like seeing what I'm picking up. It's just like, it just adds to the excitement. I don't know. Oh, I've got two things. Okay, I don't remember what this is. Oh, right, okay, so this is part of the sporty stuff. So this is a little two-piece sports bra and shorts, so I could wear these to the gym if I start going to the gym. If you watched my last video, you'd see I ordered some shorts with the scrunch bum. These have got the scrunch bum thing as well, so I'm not too sure how I feel about that. I'll try them on and I'll see. But yeah, this isn't the most exciting thing to start with, so apologies. Definitely carry on watching because there is some super trendy stuff and super exciting stuff in this haul. It's really good quality. It's very stretchy and they have padding in the bra. Is it removable? Yeah, it is removable, which I love. I don't like having padding in mine, so I usually do remove them. The back is really nice. It's got like this little open back thing to it. The shorts are scrunch bum and they're quite tight around the waist, which I like, so I think that will like suck in your waist quite well. This is the little gym set on. I really like it. It fits really well. I've definitely got the right size. It fits really well. I like the cut out bit on the back. I'm still not really a fan of this bit on the bum, but the overall thing is nice. Oh, I know what this is. This is, oh, the material is not what I expected. This is like a football t-shirt, American football t-shirt. I'm not actually sure, it's some kind of sport. I'm not a sports girl. I think that'll just look really cute with a pair of denim shorts and some white trainers. The collar is really nice, but the sleeves, they've just been like printed on. Same with the front, that's just printed on as well. But it does look really nice and I think it will look nice when it's styled right as well. I got this in size medium, something green. If you watched my last SHEIN haul, I got them bandeau tops. There was a leopard print one and like a pink flowery one. And I've got the same kind of thing in green. This is gorgeous. It is mesh. I didn't realise it is a bit see-through. So I'm probably going to have to wear like a bandeau underneath or like a strapless bra or something. I think that is going to be so pretty for summer. I got this in size small as well. This top is really nice, but because it's see-through and I don't have a strapless bra, I've just kind of had to tuck in the straps of my bra. But the top is lovely. We're just going to have to get something to wear underneath it because I didn't realise it was going to be this see-through. I've seen these everywhere. Are you ready? Because these look absolutely gorgeous. Starfish earrings. It also comes with a necklace. Like, this is just stunning. Look at that, the rope and the starfish. That is so nice. With like a bikini or like some kind of flowy summery dress, or even with that green top. Earrings do look quite big. I am going to try them on. Oh, I think they might be a bit heavy. They look so cool though. That looks really cool. I'm going to have to put the necklace on as well. Right, hold on. Oh, This bit has just come off of this. This could easily be closed again with pliers. Anyways, ignoring the fact that it broke, you can kind of see the vision. Obviously this top doesn't really go, it would have to be kind of more summery. The only thing is it is pulling my earlobe down quite a bit, so if I do catch this on something, it's gonna hurt. Or if I wear these for a long period of time, I think it's gonna hurt as well. Let's just take that off because it's a bit heavy. Oh, last month I got these linen pants in like a cream colour and in the blue and white stripes, and I've worn them like constantly, so I thought I would get myself some more. These are still a bit creamy actually. I thought they were white on the website. I thought I'd just get another pair because I'm lounging about in them all the time and they're so comfy. The ones that I've got are slightly different to this. This seems to be double layered. Hold on a second. The last ones weren't like this. These have like another layer inside, but like of shorts. It's probably to stop them from being see-through. You see it there where it ends. And these are in size medium. I do get a bigger size in the linen pants because I like them to be a bit more loose fitted and a bit more flowy. The trousers are really nice, but I really don't like the whole shorts under the trousers thing, so I might actually end up cutting them out. Like, I know it's probably meant to stop them from being see-through, but I don't mind if I'm wearing like the same colour underwear anyway. So this is a pack of hair clips. I don't wear hair clips very often, but I think it might just be because I don't have any nice ones. They are so nice. They look really cool. Because they're all different colours, then I can wear them with different outfits. I think these are really cute. What's next? I forgot that I ordered this. Not that I'm probably gonna wear it anytime soon because it is not the weather. This is the sports jacket thing that has been going viral on TikTok recently. Apparently it just looks amazing on everyone. It's that kind of sports clothing material, like kind of like not quite bathing suit material, but kind of bathing suit material, if you know what I mean. I got this in a size extra small just because I wanted it to be like a little bit tight. This jacket is so nice. I can see why it went viral. It is so figure hugging and flattering. The zip is really good quality. I like the little thumb holes. I think that's pretty cool. I think it's really nice. We've got so much more stuff to go through. Oh, I like this colour. Oh, it's a two-piece. Yes. This is a top and it comes with the trousers as well. These are like stretchy material and very lightweight. These just seem like they're gonna be the comfiest thing ever. I love the colour. I love the style of the top with the ruches down the side as well. I think it's gonna look so nice on. I got this in a size medium. The waist is elastic. I thought it was gonna be a drawstring waist because it has the drawstrings on it, but they're just for show. It's not drawstring, they are elastic. That's the kind of only downside. I definitely would prefer a drawstring waist. I'm actually glad I got a medium because this fits really nicely. It's a tiny bit baggy, but it's like comfy. This is definitely by far the best set that I've ordered from SHEIN. I really like it. The pants are my favourite. They're so airy and stretchy, and they're actually long enough for me. Usually when I order trousers off SHEIN, they're not long enough, but these are, and they actually drag on the floor a little bit, which I like. I really like the material. It's really comfy. Ooh, I've been ordering so much floral stuff recently. Like, I'm not usually a floral wearing person. This is actually really pretty. This is a dress. I just got a similar dress recently in one of my other hauls, but in like a beigey colour. This is gorgeous. I love the sleeves. That is so pretty, and it's kind of like mid-length. The pattern is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is gonna look so nice on, and I got this in a size small. I don't usually wear much pink, but this is really pretty. I think the shoulders are meant to be like up like that. I think I prefer them kind of down. I think it looks a bit nicer. It's really light and airy. It could maybe be a tiny bit smaller. I have got a little bit of room around here, but it's all right. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's so pretty. It's so nice for summer. Next. Oh, right, yeah, I forgot I ordered this. This is just a basic black belt because I don't have one. Not very exciting, but good quality. This is Daisy rather than SHEIN. This must be like another one of the brands within SHEIN, because SHEIN sell brands now. Like, SHEIN sell Misguided now. Should I do a SHEIN Misguided haul next? Let me know if you want to see that, because yeah, SHEIN now own Misguided, or they either own it or they sell it. I don't know, one or the other. But yeah, this isn't Misguided, this is Daisy. This is going with the sports theme, and it's just a white t-shirt. Oh, it says sunshine. That's actually really cute. It looks cool. It looks comfy. It's like an oversized t-shirt, comfy thing that I could wear with some denim shorts. It's a nice thin material. It's not too thick, which is lovely. This is in size medium, and I did that because I wanted it to be slightly oversized because it's already oversized, but I didn't want it to be too oversized. I just wanted it to be like slightly oversized, so medium. This is the t-shirt on, nice and baggy, airy. I have tucked it up a bit as well. If I take that down, that's just what it looks like down. I like it, nice and comfy, airy. Oh, I think this is a skirt. This is a little white skirt with some ruffles. It is so cute. I think it'll look nice with this green top from earlier. These are actually shorts, so I feel a lot more comfortable in these because even though it's a tiny little skirt, they've got shorts underneath. This is in a size small. I really like this skirt. It's like a cross between a tennis skirt and a golf skirt, and it's just even better because it has little shorts. I really like it. I think it's so nice for summer. I love the material, and I really like the ruching up here, and then it just flows down very nicely. There's still so much stuff in here. You're either gonna love this or you're gonna hate it. This is a belt, and these kind of chain belts are coming back into fashion again, and I think they look really nice around like a long white skirt or something with a little crop top. The patterns on it are really pretty. It kind of like gives that vintage vibe, but obviously it's not vintage. This has a big clasp thing here, so you can tighten it, loosen it to however big you want it. Ooh, leopard print. I'm loving leopard print at the minute. I've got some leopard print trousers. These are gorgeous. They are long and flowy and wide, and the material is really thin and airy, perfect for summer. The drawstring is not a real drawstring. It's not that big a deal. Like, it has elastic waist. I do prefer when the pants actually have a real drawstring rather than just like a one that's just there for show. Size medium I got these in. I like getting my trousers in a medium. They just seem to fit better. These trousers are so nice, but I can't tell if they look like pajama bottoms or not. Let me know in the comments if you think they're a bit more pajama-y or if I could get away with wearing them out. But they're so comfy and they're so flowy and airy. They're a nice thin material, so they're really comfortable to wear. And I think they're really nice, but I can't tell if they look like pajamas or not, so let me know. Next. Ooh, this is a top. Look how nice that is. So this is like a kind of linen material. Obviously it's not real linen, but it's like, it looks like linen, kind of feels like linen. And it has 3 buttons in the, oh, they're not buttons. Oh no, they're not, they're just beads. It has a zip down the side. This is absolutely gorgeous. I really like this, and I think this top would look nice with the green pants. Like, that would be such a nice colour combination. I got this in a size extra small because obviously it's strapless and I don't really have much boobage, so I thought I'd get it in an extra small just to kind of make sure it definitely stays up. This top is gorgeous. I love the detail in here, and it's longer than I thought it was going to be, but I actually really like it. I think it's really nice. It fits really well. I'm glad I got the extra small. It goes with these trousers really well as well, so I love that. And I've also paired it with the starfish earrings and necklace. Just, I don't know, I feel like it all goes quite nicely together. This is a tiny little bag. Another bandeau top, but this one is a white one. Again, it is slightly asymmetrical, which gives it a little bit of edginess. The material is quite thick. I got this in a size small. I think because of the material of this and because it's so stretchy, I think this will fit quite nicely. I really like the top. The material is quite thick, so it is quite warm, but I love the style of it. I love the ruching up the sides, and I think it is really nice. What is this? Oh, static. Oh, that was very staticky. This is a little dress. How adorable is that? I thought the skirt might have been a bit more like tutu-y, if you know what I mean. I'll put the picture on the screen so you can see like what I ordered and versus what I got. It's not really doing it justice because it's not ironed. I think this could be pretty. I'm not really sure. I think it looked better online than it does in person, but we'll try it on and we'll see what it looks like. And this is in a size small. This one is really pretty, but it's just not my style at all. I don't feel very comfortable in it. I think it would be nice on somebody who's like shorter. It'll be nice on someone else, but I just don't like it on me. I did iron out the skirt because it was all creased, and it does look better than it did when I just held it up. But it doesn't really look as good as it looked on the photo. Okay, so this is an all-in-one bodysuit, not bodysuit, like a playsuit thing, so it has like shorts. Going with the like sporty summery theme of this video, I think this is, it's a stretchy material, but it's not like really stretchy. It's quite thick. It reminds me of bathing suit or wetsuit material, but maybe a bit thinner than wetsuit. It has a zip that goes all the way down the back, and yeah, it's just a little all-in-one black outfit. You could wear it for sports, you could dress it up, you could dress it down. So I think there's a lot of things you could do with this. This is really nice and fits lovely. Maybe I could like dress this up somehow. There is multiple tops in here. There is 4 different tops in here. Oh no, there's 5 different tops in here. But these are just little crop tops with kind of a square neck, and they are in grey, black, beige, pink and white. The material is synthetic-y. It is very synthetic-y. These are in a size small. I really like the style of them. I really like the shape of these tops. I think they're really comfy and really flattering, the neckline. They are slightly big around here, so I could have probably gone for a size down, but I think they are really, really nice. This is the last thing. I got jorts. They're kind of giving Adam Sandler vibes. They're not really my style, but I'm pretty sure I could style them somehow, maybe. Size 30. I don't really know what size I am in numbers. I know like small, medium, or like 8, 10, 30. No idea. I don't like these shorts at all, really. They don't fit very nice. They are too big, just like I thought they would be. I've put the belt on with them. Yeah, I don't like them. The bag is empty. I've got my own unique search code that you can search and find all this stuff. So I'll put that in the description as well, along with the links to everything and my discount code. Don't forget to subscribe because I have so many more of these coming. I have loads of them already on my channel if you want to go and check them out. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you liked. Let me know what you didn't like. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.